Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking. It's me, Wes, and I'm here bringing you a recipe for some coconut lime chocolate chip cookies. Now, I was inspired to make these cookies because I've been wanting to go to somebody's beach, but I ain't got time for Rona outside, so I'm gonna bring the tropicalness to me. You feel me? Alright, so before we get into it, I want y'all to subscribe, like, and comment on this video if y'all want to see more recipes. So in a bowl, we're going to add in our flour, plus our salt and baking soda, and we're just going to whisk it around for a couple of seconds just till it's all combined, and we're going to set that aside for later. Now in our mixing bowl, we're going to cream together our butter and our coconut oil for about 5 minutes or until it starts to become white and fluffy. Now while the butter and coconut oil is doing its thing over there, we're going to combine our lime zest with our sugar. Now combining it is going to make the sugar flavorful and it's going to release the oils in the zest. Now the trick is to use your fingertips to rub together the sugar and lime mixture, and that's going to be the best way to get it all combined. Now after about 5 minutes of our butter and coconut oil mixing together and creaming in the bowl, we're going to add in the vanilla, then we're going to add in some brown sugar, then we're going to follow it up with the lime and the sugar mixture. Now we're going to add in the juice of 2 to 3 limes depending on your taste. If you want something more lime intense, add the 3. If you want to be more subtle, stick with the 2. Now that we got our juice in, we're going to close on our mixer and give it a spin for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's all nice and combined. Once we get there, then we're going to start adding in our eggs one at a time. Once our eggs are nice and combined, we're going to start slowly adding in our flour about 1 cup at a time until it's all mixed in. Now that the flour is incorporated, we're going to add in the coconut flake and we're going to let the mixer do its thing just until it's combined. Now the last thing you got to do is add the white chocolate chips. Just dump them in and let the mixer go for about 10 seconds, 15 seconds, just till it's all mixed together. Now that you got your cookie dough mixed, you're going to want to put it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Overnight is best, but at least an hour, okay? Good. Now after allowing your dough to chill, you're going to want to use a small ice cream scoop or a small spoon just to place your cookie dough onto the cookie sheet. Now you're going to want to take your cookies and place them into a 375-degree preheated oven for about 14 to 16 minutes. Then voila! You have beautiful cookies that are nice and golden brown. And like always, thank you all for stopping by. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I have much more for y'all in store. This is only the beginning, so get ready for the ride. And until next time, I'll holler at y'all later.